Hi everybody, Steve Szara here from Szara Dental Lab, and this is a video that I edited a long time ago, but I just actually kind of forgot about it. It's how I make a lower retainer using my Biostar. Now some of you might not have a Biostar or a Ministar, so this is a good video to actually watch to see how the item can be made. A lot of people don't even know that you can make a lower retainer, let alone a pattern lower retainer on a Biostar. So check it out. Remember, like and subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, I've got videos coming out every Tuesday at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. Always leave a comment. I respond to all comments. Let's get busy in this video and learn something. Hey everybody, here's a small little tip. If you're interested in purchasing a Biostar or a Ministar, follow the link in my description below. You're going to be able to have a direct link to my eBay affiliate program, and you might find a good steal on eBay. Some people sell Biostars that aren't using them, and they're just really, at times they're great deals. So check out the link, follow it, go directly to eBay and look for a used Biostar. There you're going to find a good deal, the best deal if you can't afford a new one.